Marketing is the backbone of every business. Without it, you get left behind while everyone else scales and grows. And guess what? In 2024, mastering digital marketing is no longer an option. It is a must for every business owner. It doesn't matter what business you do, whether it be B2B or B2C or SaaS business or even a brick and mortar business. As someone who's scaled multiple businesses using digital marketing, I'm going to share with you how to learn digital marketing from scratch. Even if you outsource your marketing or you have your own in-house team, it doesn't matter. You should know and understand the concepts of digital marketing. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, stick around. I have got some powerful insights coming your way. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nischal and I am the founder of Growth IQ. We are going to cover everything from key terms and concepts to the essential tools you need, including how to use my own platform Growth IQ to help grow your business. Step 1. Digital marketing fundamentals. First, let's start with the basics. Understanding the core concepts of digital marketing is crucial. Here are the key terms everyone should know. SEO, search engine optimization. This is all about optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results. Think of it as making your site search engine friendly. So if anyone wants to know anything, first thing they do is search in Google or Bing or any such search engines, but there are millions of business listed online. So your business needs to be highlighted. Let's say you have a home renovation business in Highland Park city in Dallas, and if someone from the city searches for a home reno company, let's say in Google, your business should be able to be listed in the first page. If not, you're missing out the opportunity. Not able to see means it doesn't exist. So to compete with other businesses, you should rank higher in search engine. For that, you need to optimize your web page. Pay per click, PPC, a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. It's like buying visits to your site rather than earning them organically. So let's say Google paid ads. You could do a sponsored ad to be listed on top of the Google page and it's visible for the searchers. This is CRO, conversion rate optimization. This is the process of increasing the percentage of visitors who take a desired action, like say filling out a form or making a purchase. Say someone clicks to your ad or comes through organically to your site. What's the next action they take? Do they sign up for a trial, or they book a call or an appointment, or give their details to you in exchange of some information? Next is email marketing, my favorite. Sending commercial messages typically to a group of people using email. It's one of the most cost-effective digital marketing strategies. It can be a cold email or a nurture sequence to the leads which you have already generated. The next is content marketing. This focuses on creating, publishing and distributing content for a targeted audience online. It's about delivering valuable, relevant content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. These terms from the foundation of digital marketing, knowing them will help you navigate the vast world of online marketing. Step 2. So I'm going to list the essential tools for digital marketing. Here are the key tools I recommend, including our very own Growth IQ platform. Google Analytics. This tool helps you to understand your audience behavior on your site. You can track where your visitors are coming from and what pages they are visiting and how long they stay. And then SEMrush or Ahrefs, great for keyword research and SEO audits and competitive analysis as well. These tools provide comprehensive insights to optimize your SEO strategy. MailChimp, it's a popular email marketing tool you can use for cold marketing, and Canva to design your email templates or your logos or social media graphics and contents. You don't need any design skills to use Canva. And our platform Growth IQ, it's our own platform. It's an all-in-one platform to capture, nurture and close the leads, from mail automation to SMS automation to Google business page optimization to funnel building to workflow automation, social posting, social calendar, AA content creation, and many more. We have built this to help small business to scale and have a complete digital marketing team right at your fingertips. And it is definitely designed to make digital marketing easier and effective for business owners like you. Alright, now that we have covered the fundamentals and the essential tools of digital marketing, let's dive into the next step, that is application. This is where we start putting everything into action. So first thing first, if you're a business owner new to digital marketing, you're probably wondering which ad platform to start with. In my experience, the best ad platform for beginners is Meta ads like Facebook and Instagram. Why? Because there is a ton of online support and resources available. Facebook Ads Manager offers a user-friendly interface with plenty of guided steps to help you create your first campaign. It's perfect for getting your feet wet in digital advertising. Now, while starting with the right platform is crucial, knowing which digital marketing strategies to avoid early on is just as important. For someone who's brand new, I would recommend avoiding extensive content creation right out of the gate. Content marketing is good, it's powerful, but it requires a good understanding of how to convert organic leads into paying customers. What kind of content you should be using? How can you use trends to your content, to your advantage? The kind of knowledge you might end up investing a lot of time without seeing much in return. So what's the best approach for launching your first digital campaign? I would say ad campaign, and here's the 3-step winning ad process that has worked wonders for me and for many others as well. Step 1, your offer is everything. Your ad campaign success hinges on having a compelling offer. Make sure it's clear, enticing, and provides real value to your audience. Step 2, focus on the creative. Your ads, visuals, and copy are crucial. Use high quality images or videos and keep your messaging concise and direct. Remember, you only have a few seconds to grab attention. Step 3, optimize around the customer journey. Think about the entire customer experience from the ad click to the landing page and how you're bringing them in the funnel until the final conversion. Make sure every step is optimized for ease and clarity to maximize your conversion rates. This is where Growth IQ can help to automate the entire funnel process, from building the ad funnel to capturing the lead and engaging them and nurturing them with automated nurturing sequence. By following this process, you will be able to create ad campaigns that not only attract clicks but also convert those clicks into sales, and that's what we all want. Alright, now for those who are already experienced but looking to take your digital marketing to the next level, this part is for you. If you are ready to scale up your efforts, my number 1 piece of advice is to focus on conversion rate. Conversion rate optimization, CRO. Start from the top of the funnel and work your way down. Why? Because optimizing your conversion rates can have a massive impact on your overall growth. Small improvements at the top of the funnel can lead to significant gains as prospects move down the funnel. When your leads are qualified at the top of the funnel, you would know that these are the warm leads and easy to convert, and you can attract them and nurture them easily when they come at the bottom of the funnel on your sales page, and it's easy to close. So make sure your top of the funnel is optimized. You don't need unnecessary leads. You filter out leads properly so that you don't waste your time on bad leads or or not qualified leads. I have made my share of mistakes along the way. One of the biggest was neglecting marketing after landing my first big client. I focused 100% on serving and delivering that client and stopped my marketing efforts, or I didn't even put effort, or constantly a few months later when the client churned and I was left scrambled to find new businesses. That experience taught me a valuable lesson that never pause or stop your marketing efforts. Marketing should be a continuous process even when business is good. Learn from my mistake. Always keep your marketing mission running to maintain a steady flow of leads and growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and see you all in the next video. Until then, stay inspired. Thank you.